Now we're unfrozen.
We're unfrozen?
Yes.
Hi!
Hi, it's Sunday again. This is John.
Or Casper, because I'm white and friendly.
I got back to school today.
Congratulations, so did I.
And
In fact, many people at the college got back to school today, so technically, if you think about it, Becca's not that special. But Becca is special.
I am special.
Becca is special.
I don't really have a lot to talk about because I haven't really been here. My week consisted of going to a baby naming and seeing the most adorable baby girl ever. She was so freaking squishy, and I got to hold her, and she's adorable. My week also consisted of cleaning my room and making it look like an adult-ish room and not preteen Becca, 6th grade Becca room. It also consisted of going to lots of various appointments, like the therapist and the dentist again to get a cavity filled. And what was the fourth one? The allergist. So I went to 4 different appointments with people, and I ate food and hung out with my family and watched a lot of Netflix. Jeremy is doing something very weird in the background, and Sean is also weird, and Esther is weird.
I missed the ball!
I have weird friends. Bye.
Wait! I have to tell my joke. Okay, so, here's my joke. A duck walks into his pharmacy, and he picks up a thing of chapstick. So when he gets to the counter, the cashier says, "Do you want me to put that on your tab? Or do you just want me to add it to your bill?"